Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely wouldn't have worked, Mama.
It just occurred to me that we have so much explaining to do. Like, there's got to be so many like disclaimers, and I have to try and make all of it sound interesting. And I'm not sure how to do that, so we are off to a good start.
You can do it!
I can do it! Hello.
Hello.
So in today's video, I thought it'd be a really good idea to do the burn away cake. Now, I know we've seen a ton of these burn away cakes and it's kind of just been the same thing over and over again. But I've been watching this channel called The Icing Artist. I actually am a huge fan of her. Lori, her real name is. See, I'm a real fan. And she did this cake where it was completely wrapped around in wafer paper, which is what usually people use when it comes to burn away cakes. But because wafer paper takes so long to burn away, when she gave it a go, it all just started melting her buttercream. It started like damaging the image underneath the cake, that it was kind of a mess. So that got me thinking, how would you go about doing this cake and burning the sides? Now, before I get any further into the video, I need to introduce my sister because I need to explain everything. Like, she picked the theme for the cake, so that's why Sass, get in. This is my sister Sass. Oh, sorry.
Baby sister.
My baby
Just
sister.
taller than you.
Shut up. Yes, this is my baby sister. Her name is Sarina. You will not once hear me call her Sarina. My name for her is Sass. You're so awkward. Same. I know. So her favorite anime, actually no, I'll let you explain. What is your favorite anime?
My favorite anime is a show called Madoka Magica, and it's like a magical girl anime but horror.
There we go, that's basically it. So I've already got the cake all prepped up, so I'm gonna pull that out and then we will show you the vision that we have for this cake. Like Sass said, she loves this anime Madoka Magica, which is actually an anime that I watched when I was younger, like around about 16, and she was like still running around like a toddler. It's crazy how like she's actually into some of the things that I used to be into. It's actually really cool. These are the images that we're going to be placing onto the cake, and I thought it was a really cool idea because like how Sass said, it's a dark anime, so we'll have all like the sad parts underneath and then at the front have it like, you know, all cutesy and stuff.
Like the message, life just burns you down.
A little bit. That's a little too real. So what's going to be underneath the cake is it's going to be these edible images. I didn't have to worry about them burning or anything like that, so it was just normal edible paper that we're going to be using on the cake. But for the outside, so like I said already, you can't use wafer paper, which is what normally people use when it comes to these burn away cakes. I started again thinking, like, how do other people, because there are people on TikTok where they'll use the wafer paper and then you'll see these burnt little nuggets which don't look cute on the cake. But then there were other cakes where I saw where it was just a clean burn, and I'm like, what are these guys using? Now, this is when I found out that people actually use flash paper. And what flash paper is that it's this paper that magicians use when they like, catch it on fire and then it burns away. And it's nice, clean, and it's a beautiful effect. So the deal with wafer paper is, like I said, it burns away and it leaves a beautiful effect, which I'm hoping to achieve today. I don't know. It's not like we've got a tutorial to be able to watch and actually do this. Like, I'm doing this kind of trying to figure it out as I'm going along. But the thing with wafer paper, and I need to make this very, very clear, is that it's not edible. So whatever stays wet or damp on the cake, you're gonna have to remove from the cake. So I just wanna make that very, very clear. Also, I ended up having to use edible ink to draw on this paper because we tried to put it into the printer and it got jammed. And then once it got jammed, I literally started stressing. I was like, oh my God, we have flammable paper that is jammed in our printer. What the f are we doing? But then it occurred to me, oh my God, if I do even achieve this, I am encouraging other people to put flash paper into their printer. And I was like, that's not very responsible of me. What I decided to do was get edible ink and then trace over the images. I know it's not as pretty or as luxurious or like as stunning as a printer like image, but still I feel like this is the safest option and I feel like this is the most responsible way to do it. Okay, so let's get these images onto this cake. Well, do you want to explain some of these characters while I put them on?
Okay.
Okay, so what's this first one that we've got here?
That's Kyoko. So the whole premise of Madoka Magica is when these girls become magical girls, they get to make a wish, and most of the time that wish backfires horribly and does the opposite of what they want.
Pretty harsh.
Yeah, so this girl made a wish to try and help her family, but
And
in
it
the
killed
end-
them.
Yeah.
Basically. By the way, there's going to be spoilers. Oh my god! So basically there is going to be spoilers. So
Terrible
if
gift.
you haven't seen Madoka Magica, I would definitely recommend either watching that and then watch this video. But it's been out like for like 12 years now, so
Yeah, so-
like
It's on you. if
Your
you-
fault.
People will still get upset that you spoiled Friends for me. It's like it ended in like 2003.
yeah, right? Okay, so what I decided to do was keep the plastic on so that I was able to move it around. And once I got my placement right and I knew that I liked the sizing and stuff, I was able to peel it off and then put it back on the cake, and now I'm quite happy with it. So now we're up to the part where we're gonna pipe on the borders, and then I'm gonna see what I can do, because if you put one layer of buttercream, this needs 2 like layers of buttercream. So what I'm thinking of is doing one layer, put it in the freezer for 15 minutes, let that set, and then pipe over that so that the next layer of buttercream has something to hold on to, because gravity is not our friend. So let's do it.
Yawning.
She keeps
The second that it starts filming, that's number 4.
Dude, that's not entertaining enough. We're about to burn a cake. Now, I've let this sit for a little bit because I don't want to pipe on soft buttercream, because then, like I said, gravity is not our friend, it's just gonna drop. So the plan is to pipe over this so that we get that extra barrier between that and the wafer paper so it doesn't burn the back. But I'm still scared because this is just, it's still scary.
She's trying to hold that yawning.
She's not, oh my god, Sash.
She turned her head too so that the camera can't.
I'm having
like,
time
camera
to
can't see it.
yawn.
The
Okay.
zoom ins are going to be so fun.
Okay, so we're up to the part where I'm going to try and put the flammable paper on. How do we feel about that? Alright, so I know it's looking a little bit of a hot mess right now, like paper's everywhere, but let me pipe and then let me salvage what I can, and then we'll go from there. What?
You said film.
Wait. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. We've had some issues. I think you could probably see up here. The piping, it's a bit sloppy because I'm running out of buttercream. I didn't want to make more buttercream, but we're making more buttercream. But yeah, this is how the first one's turned out, the second, and we still got to finish off. What's her name again? Kyoko. We'll be right back when this is done, and then when we've got the top all ready, and then we will go and burn this cake. Okay, so that's the cake all done, and me and my sister, I think we got a little surprise for you guys. Okay, so my sister wanted to dress up for this. So cute. Now, we had to make more buttercream, which unfortunately now this is starting to get a bit wet because of the moisture of the buttercream, so we've got to burn this cake like right now.
Yeah.
Where's the flamey thing?
The what?
The
The lighter?
The lighter, that's it.
Jesus Christ.
I'm in a panic.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah, it definitely wouldn't have worked, Mama.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It did melt the buttercream.
It did still melt the buttercream. It's still damaging the image. No! Are we ready? It smells amazing.
Yeah, well, it looks cool.
Oh my god,
It's
that's
definitely not working my way then. Oh, here we go.
tumble! Oh my god.
It looks cool, but yeah.
Oh,
Found it at the wrong time.
oh my god. Ready? It still looks cool. But the buttercream's still melting.
It does
But-
look cool, but it's definitely not going to work my way then. That's going to destroy
Look,
it.
look at that. Oh, that's a mess. You can't serve that to a customer? Oh, no.
The top part?
Yeah, let's burn her. The top part's gonna be fine. Are we ready? Sass, do you want to do the last one? Why not? Oh, you're worried about your dress. Alright.
The top look cool.
Wow.
This is something that you do for the top and not the sides.
I
The
wouldn't
top
see.
the top looked awesome. And look at how much less damage there is on top.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely something you do on the top of the cake, not on the sides.
I thought we could crack the code. Okay, so this was definitely a fail.
Burnt the buttercream a little bit.
Buttercream.
I don't know. Honest to God, that's something I've been so curious about because I've heard people be like,
Taste
it
it.
tastes, I want to try it. I don't know how to explain it. It's just like buttercream but with a burnt taste afterwards. That's what it tastes like.
Well, it is burnt, so.
It's burnt buttercream. So.
I definitely want to give this another go. I'm gonna, oh my God. Oh my God, maybe it was too much buttercream because this is like pulling away.
Yeah, it's got a lot of weight behind it.
It's got a
about
lot
to
of
drop,
weight.
that is about to drop.
Yeah, it's all about to drop.
Yeah, no, the top looks good.
The top does look cool.
There we go, she went.
The top does look cool, but I feel like we could do this. I think we could crack it.
I reckon it's I just reckon it's a thing that you do on the top of a cake, and you don't put so much buttercream to build the top up.
Okay.
You probably only need like one pipe around the top, put the image on top, and then do one more on top just to hide the edge.
This is something that you want to do as like a content cake, like I said. This is not something that you can have as like a birthday cake. Definitely not, because as it was sitting there, I was just getting the buttercream ready, and it started to absorb the buttercream. Like it started getting damp. Yeah. The flash paper, which is why I think it also took longer to burn, because the top and the bottoms were absorbing it, which I feel like that's why it damaged the buttercream as much as it did. So Jack has an idea. I want to see if it works or not. It might be another fail. It might be a success.
If it burns like that, I think it's not going to work. It's going to wreck the image underneath.
Well, it's not going to have so much buttercream, and we're going to burn it immediately. So we will cut to that right now. But yeah, my poor cake. Okay, so we're gonna try Jackson's way. This was meant to be like a surprise cake where I pull it out and then like we give it a go, because I thought it'd be funny to have lumpy space princess because this is the shape of the lumps. But this is the way where you have the edible image underneath, not the wafer paper. I keep saying wafer paper, flash paper on top. So we're gonna see if it'll burn the edible image.
So they're literally touching each other.
Yeah, they're touching each other. Yep. Get the shit out of me.
You know what? Looks pretty alright.
Oh my God.
It did burn a little bit.
That's not terrible. It's still burnt the top though.
So you're still getting your dripping effect. Having it on the side is just not it's just something that it ain't gonna work that well. It's just one of them things.
I'm not gonna give up. I want this. What I was hoping was to show this as an example is if we could do this, then that means that we're not limited to just doing the top anymore. We can do the side of the cake and burn it away and even have little painted images underneath. But obviously we can't use it because it's just a mess. Like, look at that.
Yeah, it's just one of them things.
I still want to try this again. I really wanted to work for like these type of shaped cakes, but I'm going to keep experimenting. If you guys have any kind of like suggestions, any ideas, I am up for anything because I want this to work. I'll quickly say thank you to my sister for joining us today.
Give us a yawn, Sass. Send us that.
Yeah, give us your signature yawn.
It's number 6. It's number 5 or 6 right now.
Thank you so much for joining. Sorry that I did that to your characters, your beloved characters. I know. The top looks alright. Yeah, no, actually the top.
It's just a side.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
If you can, if you make it more dense so it doesn't melt so quick, I think that'll be fine.
Okay.
Find a way. Maybe that's something you can work on.
Yeah.
For the next one.
If you guys want to see something like this again, let me know. And honestly, I really wanted to do this for me. I want to do it, but it would be really a good initiative if like other people want me to do it too. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, and that's a wrap. Yeah, that's a wrap. Hey, I just want to quickly pop on here and just say a big thank you for watching this video in full. I really appreciate it. And I also want to take this moment to mention my sister's TikTok.
We were supposed to mention it in the video, but we kind of forgot. So I thought I'll just mention it here. She has a TikTok where she does cosplay and stuff like that. So if that's something that you're interested in or enjoy, maybe go and check it out and maybe follow her. I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much again for watching this video. If you like what you see, maybe subscribe, I don't know, and leave a like if you like the video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye 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 bye.